my name is Julian Atkinson and I'm going to show you how to make a screen print using this thermal copier. To begin with, you're going to need some already photocopied pictures, like these. The first thing you have to do is remove any extra black or carbon from the photocopies. So first put them into this thermal carrier or mylar, then get your tissue paper, place it on top to remove any extra black. Run it through the machine just once. Remove the tissue and you'll see that there are faint black marks on it, and that is the extra carbon we're trying to get rid of. Okay. The next part of this is to make the actual screen. So first, cut your screen to size. Here's one I prepared earlier. This is a light sensitive material, so it needs to be kept in the tube while you're not using it. There is a dull side and there is a shiny side. The shiny side goes down on top of your pictures inside the thermal carrier. Lay out your pictures how you want them to be printed. So spend a bit of time finding out when you're happy. Remember when you put these on that you need a good amount of gap all the way around the outside so that it fits and so that when you squeegee later it will work. Put the thermal cover, fold it down over the top. Carefully, as you can see. Check your gaps are still good and you're happy with that. Check it fits inside the frame nicely, which it does. And then we run this through the machine twice on a setting of 1. Here's the second time. Come on. Yeah, there we go. Now if that's worked, the light in this machine would have attached itself to this, and we can just pull it off. And if you look, we should be able to see that the screen is now made. The frames are quite simple. We have attached double-sided tape inside a simple frame. I want to use this again, so I've attached it to a wooden frame rather than the plastic ones that come when you buy these things. Oh, come on. Something's funny happening there. It never works properly all the time, does it? There we go. Okay. This then needs to go shiny side up onto the screen, as tight as you can possibly get it. Push firmly. Pull to fit. You can tweak this and get it more accurate if things start going wrong. At this point in time I've got one side that's still a bit messy, so tweak it until you're happy with the screen being tight enough, which I now am, and here is your completed screen, all finished and ready to be printed, which I'll show you in the next video.